Hello and welcome to another update video about oil. We take a look at Brent Crude oil and WTI in this video. My view is unchanged that the trend is down. Yeah, we've been talking about this for over a year now, and it's been following nicely into our support area. Very lately, it actually reached and broke into our target area, long-term target area for this large wave 2 correction after it peaked in a wave 1 early in 22. And since that top here, we've been talking basically about a 40 to 50% price reduction for oil. That so far has been working out in a pretty straightforward way. I don't think there have been many adjustments to the wave count. It just took a little bit longer here in this B wave to play out because that has taken now around 3 months, but it lately broke to the downside. Then we've been talking about the idea that this could have been just a wave 1 to the downside, basically an impulse of this C wave. So again, A, B, and now the C wave unfolding. It would be a 5-wave move. And in this C wave, in 5 waves, we look at wave 1 complete. Our signal was a break to the trend line. Then I did highlight to you standard resistance for the wave 2 between 78.44 to 83.19. You would not necessarily need the price to get there. It's not like a target, it's more like resistance, but it's likely to get there to at least see the 50% retracement in this wave 2. The fact that we didn't get there, and because the move up doesn't really clearly look corrective, my view is that this was just the A wave. I, in the previous video, gave you a target for the B wave, and I think we called the top here because I don't need to adjust the target range. So when it started to come down, I gave you that support area, target area for a B wave. That could be finished now, and we need to be watching if we can rally now in a C wave. The wave 2 consists of ABC, so a 3-wave structure. And you can see that we basically reacted here to the golden ratio at around $73, the 61.8 retracement, a common target for a B wave. Ideally, it stays above 71.70. 71.70 roughly, yeah. If it does a sustained break below it, I have to assume that wave 3 is already in the making, which would send it down quite strongly. If wave 3 is in the making, a characteristic of that is a very strong sell-off. We haven't seen that yet. Well, it might be starting, but again, without breaking support, I can't say with certainty. Well, you can never say anything with certainty. It's all probabilities in this space. But really what I need to see as a first strong indication that the third wave is already ongoing. Basically here, the third wave of the C wave. I need to see the break of 71.70. Even better would be a break below $70 to then rally in a third wave down. Within this C wave of wave Y basically, right? And that is what I want to see eventually. But first of all, in the very short term, we're looking here at the wave 2 to the upside. Target wise, I mean, now I can actually give you a target because, as I said, this is only resistance. As long as we don't have the A wave complete and the B wave complete, I cannot really calculate target for the C wave. I can do that now. It's not super reliable, but it's sort of levels to watch. If I take the length of the A wave, I go to the low of the B wave. Eventually, we need to see how the subwave structure is developing to be more specific, but the very first one I'd be watching for is the 79.57 level, the 1-to-1 ratio. That is a very common target for a C wave. Not super reliable at all times, but certainly a level to watch. I mean, I would start watching for a possible ceiling and reaction here at the 50% retracement at 78.44, then the 1-to-1 ratio at 79.57, and then maybe even here the $80.40 level, but we're not there yet. First, we need to see, is it actually now continuing the move to the upside? We already had a nice reaction to the support area, and now it just needs to continue higher. First evidence really that we are in the C wave would be a break above the previous swing high of 76.26. 76.26, yeah. All right, that's my update about oil. Let's take a look now at WTI before I forget. Let's do that. It's very similar, it's just at different levels. Basically same analysis. So also here, as you can see, similar story, gave you the support or targets for the B wave. It reacted here even better to the golden ratio at 67.05. And as long as it stays above 65.80, my assumption will be that we rally in a C wave into this target range or resistance range between 72.69 and 77.46. If it does a meaningful break below 65.80, I assume the third wave is already unfolding. And yeah, target wise for the wave C, we can take the length of the A wave, go to the low of the B wave, and target wise here for the C wave, we talk about 74.30. That's the 1-to-1 ratio. Again, I'd be watching all of these key resistance fibs, but this is certainly a likely one to go to and to possibly expect a reaction from it, especially because it is so close to that ascending trend line, to the golden ratio. Yeah, so there's a bit of a confluence of resistance there around the 74.30 to 74.66 level. Yeah, that's my update about oil. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.